Hello! Welcome to Comodo Certificate Manager Screencast series. This time we are going to watch how to install certificates at remote web server with CCM Extra Agent. First we log into admin panel for target customer demo. We have already installed Extra Agent at Windows Server 2008 in the previous screencast, so let's verify that it's running. We need to pass to Settings, CD Agents, and here it is. Server with name WinServer. Its state is connected, so it's running now. Let's click Notes. We see the list of websites located there, and here is, for example, certificate with status installed at port 443, and its SSL state is external. It means that this certificate was added not by Extra Agent. We can look at its information. Click Close. So let's install certificate, for example, at test2 ccm.com. Click Close. I verify that there is appropriate domain in the domains. Here it is. Then pass to Certificates Management. And here it is. Test CCM.com. State unmanaged. It was found by Extra Agent. Anyway, let's click Add for auto install. Here is our server. And select test2 ccm.com. Here we select website for which common name certificate would be added. Then click Next. Now we have to select the type of certificate and its term. 1 year, instant SSL, and server software match Microsoft is 5.x and later. We've got 7s there. Then click Next. This step, called Schedule, gives us possibility to select whether the certificate installation process would be started instantly, so manual. Certificate installation must be started manually, or scheduled on some time in future. Here it is, Schedule. Certificate installation will be started during selected time period. We'll look at it in the next screencast series, so let's select manual now, then click Next. Here is some demo license. We have to agree EULA. I agree. And then click OK. Here we see newly added certificate is with state requested. But we don't have possibility to approve it yet, for about a minute. It happens so because all operations are done not by CCM server, but locally by Extra Agent. Let's pass to CD Agents again and look at commands. We see generate certificate is successful, so if we pass back to management, certificate management, and click refresh, we see that button approve appeared. Let's click approve, type in some approve message, and click OK. Certificate status changed to applied. Now we have to wait until certificate becomes issued. Let's click refresh. Here it is. We can look at its details. Server software, type, with owner who requested it. Let's click close. And now we can install it remotely at website where Extra Agent is located. So let's click install. Select website. We can select more than one, but we don't need it now. So let's click next. Install now or schedule it for future again. Let's install it now. Click OK. Server software is installing. We need to wait a bit. Click refresh. We can pass to settings again, CD agents, and look what is happening. You got one command is waiting, commands. Here we see that certificate was generated, then stored locally, and now it's installing. This procedure takes a few minutes. Here it is, successful. Click close, certificate management, click refresh, and its state is active. So we can click details and look where it is located. Server software button view, and here it is, test2 ccmka.com has status installed. So let's close it, pass again, here and select nodes. We see that test2 ccmka.com with port 9443 has SSL with order number and all details here, and has status installed. It means that Extra Agent managed to generate and install certificate at the website test2 ccmka.com successfully. So let's click close. I hope now it would be easier for you to use CCM certificate auto installation feature in future. Bye.